Now, some time ago in 2020, I did get a prophecy from one particular gentleman by the name of Prophet Paul Heaven. Okay, I don't know exactly what's his name. We just know him by Paul Heaven. And the man said that there was a prophecy God gave him that me and some other individuals would get into some trouble before the end of the year. There would be what, there was sickness and whatnot. The year came and it passed. Nothing. And then 2021 came and it passed. Nothing also. And 2022 is coming and it might pass. Whether it doesn't pass, it doesn't matter. The point of the matter is that the prophecy was scheduled. The prophecy was scheduled for 2020, 2021, and it didn't happen. And so, Mandem has been arrested. Not the first time. There was raiding at his house. They raided his house. And yesterday, was it yesterday or day before yesterday? I think a few days back, there was now another one where he had to actually appear in court. And there was a small little video that I got, and you could see him there in court there, coming out, going to his cell. Now, his bail was postponed for tomorrow. I think they're gonna do some hearing for the court case, for the entire thing, whether he should get bail tomorrow. Reason being, they found that Mandem has a lot more issues, so they might want to hear all those other issues as well to consider whether they should give him bail. Now, bear in mind, this is the same Mandems that actually was previously, when he was raided, they find all kinds of guns. All kinds of guns. Now, personally, I can't even remember if those guns were even legal or anything. Now, if they were legal, okay, fine. But that was a bit too much. Now, you are speaking to a person who is a gun person. And I'm saying, that was too much, Chief. That was too much. Now, if they are illegal, Chief, what were you doing with those kind of calibers? All kind of caliber weapons over them. Now, Mandem is now in court, and his bail on whether they will release him will be held out tomorrow. And so it's very fascinating. You know, while we are prophesying other people, we forget to prophesy ourselves. So prophesy yourself first. Turn the prophecy around and look at the prophecy backwards so that it can tell you what might be in your way. Because while you are busy telling us what might be in our way, you might find that you are actually ignoring the biggest part of the entire prophecy, which is you. Don't forget yourself, because you must also account for your own things. Now Mandem is there, bail hearing. The hearing will be held out tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll give you an update. I just thought it was fascinating that while people are out here they're wishing us bad, really. They are really wishing us bad. It's not even prophecy. No, you just wish something bad would happen. It's not a prophecy. There's no prophecy. You are just a bad person. You like behaving bad things happen to other people. And look at all these supposed prophets. You will see, you will notice there is always pages, tens of thousands of pages that just talk positives about them. You'll wonder, but Chief, there's all these other scandals that are around this person, but you never hear about them. Why? They have enough. They pay people in order for them to have positive stories about them. They need me to balance the equation. I'm an equilibrium. I'm there to balance out the matter so that there is all stories. Don't just leave the bad ones. So that we can direct them, bring them to show that this is the kind of a person you are. In this day and age. Now, not saying people shouldn't have weaponry and stuff like that to protect themselves, but those ammunition that the Mandem was having in his house, that's not for self-protection. No, the man, hi Chief, you'll have to explain. So they're still holding him there. The bail hearing will be tomorrow. I'll give you an update on it when it eventually happens. I'm sure I'm going to have information on that one. And so it's Ricky's Reality Show. Please, when you are considering prophesying some of us, do also tell us your own. Tell us your own so that we will know when they are going to raid your house. They've been watching you. They know that there's something dodgy going on over there. And so eventually when the police come into you see, there's a reason why the police came to your house. And Mandem will see you later on. I'll be blessed. One love. Later. Check the pin comment and other episodes. Be blessed. Salute.